Alright, YouTube. This is me doing a bike check on my We the People. Just got it like last month, I think. Can't really remember. But I mean, it's a pretty sweet bike. It is really light. Like, I could probably lift it with like 2 fingers. Like, very light. Probably like, I think it's like 17 pounds. Probably not, but that's what I'm gonna estimate it to. Well, I'm gonna get into detail for it. We're gonna start with the seat. It's the Holly BMX seat. It hurts my ass, but it's a very good seat. And with the seat, I got the Primo seat clamp. Pretty good, I guess. I'm not really into the whole. Don't see what that's for. It's mad low anyway. My tires, Odyssey tires. These are actually very good. If you just got these two, very thick, so they're good. They have a lot of bounce to them too. Brake suspension is a, what does it say here? Oh yeah, gyro too. Gyro in there. Very good. Well, Odyssey gooseneck. Can't really tell what the brakes. Could have sworn it said a Evo on there somewhere, but I guess not. Yeah, the gyro. Right. Heck, it's the Primo Pro. Right. And running on a Royal flat. It's a pretty good bike. I like it. And yeah, very good bike. Got it for a deal. The guy that sold it to us said it was worth $800. Got 3. Yep. So that's my bike. And yeah.